Hey friends! I found a perfect way to use my sourdough discard. Mini pizzas for the air fryer. My kids love these and so do I. So I have about 1 cup of discard I've been saving, but you can use half a cup and just use a little bit less flour then. 1 cup of flour, a couple shakes of sea salt, a swirl of olive oil, and next you're just gonna mix. And then knead with your hands until it feels like Play-Doh. It is so fun to make. My kids make these a lot with me. It's a little splash of water because I added a little too much flour. My creativity comes out in the kitchen. I don't know about you, but I love cooking and just playing with food. I mean, it feels like we're a kid again, just playing with food. Play-Doh. This feels like Play-Doh to me. But anyways, put the ball of dough into the tortilla press, press down like I'm doing, and it makes a flat, cohesive shape, and that way it doesn't break as easily, and it comes right off of that tortilla press. You don't even need to spray it with oil. So easy. This takes about a couple minutes to make. So much healthier than grabbing something out of the freezer, and this is so fast. Such a fast, easy snack. Now place in your air fryer. To get a crispier crust, do not put parchment paper down. Next, get your toppings out, what you're going to choose. I do pepperoni and cheese. I love Colby cheese on a pizza. It is so good. Try it sometime. And then my pizza sauce that I can from my garden. Can't wait to show you that recipe this summer when we get fresh tomatoes from our garden. And just splash it on there. Less dishes. It is so great to have less dishes. I do not have a dishwasher. I am the dishwasher, so this helps a lot. And then I'm going to put the cheese on top. I think this is just such a fun way to use sourdough discard. I created this with my kids one day. They're always saying how hungry they are, even though I feed them 5 million times a day. So this seems to fill them up pretty good at lunchtime. I make a little side salad for them with this mini pizza, and 2 each, and it's perfect for them. Next, it goes in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 5 to 6 minutes. If you want it crispier, just leave it in a little longer. Just keep checking it so you don't burn it. Fun fact, I am not giving up my sourdough journey. I have killed so many starters. I'm still going strong. I'm not giving up. So you tell me in the comments if you have a starter, how your sourdough journey's going. If you have any tips, please let me know. I'd love to hear them. All right, here we go. They're now done in the air fryer. The cheese is all bubbled up. The pepperoni's on there. It is so good, I promise. Just mini pizzas. And it was so fast. This is so cheap too. So cheap to make. I hope you try it. I hope your kids try it. You could do any toppings that you want. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you decide to subscribe to me. Thanks. Bye.